Hey guys, it's a beautiful Monday morning and I just got to know we have food. So I'm going to good morning, Hari. Eating away, I see.
Oh my god.
Well, Zaf's already at it. Morning guys. Hello. Hey cow, hiding behind there. Look at all this food. Brought to you by this man.
Hope you guys enjoy. Okay.
Thank you, sir. So, if you're going to think that Rashid is the one who eats the most in this company, you clearly don't know who does the most number of eating. The biggest eater in this company is right here. Come on. Hi. He's the biggest eater. We got the Asus Scrabble or Scabbard, and it's apparently a very large mouse mat, and I like what they've done over here. It's very, not that close cow, but it's very innovative. You can test out the surfaces. Obviously this is the Yatagalla and this is the top surface, and I'm going to open it up and give you guys a little insight on the, are you zooming into my, okay, on the size of this Asus Scabbard. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering the name, which to Asus I'm really sorry. Sorry. Okay, that's like Swiss roll in here. Now I'm hungry. Again. Smells like apico.
Are you sniffing a mouse?
It smells like apico.
Oh, look at that.
Come on.
When they called it a mat, I didn't expect that to be a mat.
I put it the wrong way.
Had one job.
Right. So as you can see, you can keep your keyboard on top of this and wrong key. And you can put your mouse on top of it and your dinner plate and
The dog.
not the dog. Unless you have a small dog, but yeah, this is pretty huge, and you can also have it as a banner in your room. Hey Zaf, I heard you went to Computex in Taiwan.
Oh yeah, it was good. It was good.
It was good. What did you see there? Like, anything good that people are supposed to expect?
What was new this year? Lots and lots of RGB. That was what was new.
More colors.
A lot of colors.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Were you able to like get us some footage or some pictures?
Actually, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
And
And actually, Cow is working on putting it together.
all right,
So we'll have a really good video done up very soon.
all right, cool. I'll check that with Cow. Thanks,
Alright,
Zaf. Hey Cow, I heard you have some Computex footage that you're working on. That Zaf gave. Yes. Are you working on it right now? You are? Okay. Can you tell us a bit about this footage?
This is basically all the stuff which were displayed at Computex in Taiwan.
Okay.
And so I basically managed to record most of the things which were on display.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm putting together everything and creating like a small video.
Okay.
So our viewers can see what actually happened at computer.
Okay.
So probably maybe.
All those the files from Computex?
Yep.
What? There's more? Okay, can you just like tell our viewers how many GB those files are? Like all together?
All together.
Yes.
It was 17 to 8, 17. About 18 gigs of
System files.
basic raw footage.
Not system files. Right. Okay. Thanks, Cal.